Hello everyone. It's been a minute since I've done an update video, so I thought I would shoot one really quick on the shop slash apartment project. I'm in the back corner. Yeah, my back corner. Yeah, I'm in the back corner of the shop part, and just wanted to show you guys what has been completed. Um, I think the electrical on the ceiling wasn't done last time, so I've got all the permanent lighting is in, and it's working out really well. Loads of light. This is some air conditioning ductwork that the AC guys need to come pick up. You can see all the ductwork up there. We actually have heating and air. Oh, it's so nice to have heat in there right now. Working in the house part. All the appliances came in. They're all sitting out here in boxes. Washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher. All that stuff is out here in boxes. My electrical is done. The water's done too. I don't know if I've shown that in previous videos. This is my manifold system. I did add a pressure gauge to it just to sit so I could see the water pressure. So you could turn it, say like this, and you can flip this, and whoa, man, we got some water pressure today. Anyway, so I've got all the electrical done. You see, I've got loads of breakers, a bunch of arc fault, ground fault breakers for all the bathroom. Well, any area that's wet, you're required by code to have those. Let's see, oh yeah, I've got this is my little nerd device here. That little green guy. Whenever people pull in to my lift, we were always struggling to try to center the vehicle in the very center of the lift. So I bought this, and I rigged it up with a doorbell button. So you press this, that fires up the laser. Yes, laser beams. And I'm hoping this can, with the lights off, you can really see it. But you see the laser? This will go right down the middle of the vehicle. And so you just center this, and the vehicle's centered perfectly. But anyway, this little toy of mine I put up. And I put a danger laser beam sign up there because it just adds to the nerdness of it. All the sheetrocking everywhere is done. There's the garage doors. Let me come inside. I actually have a door now. Oh yeah, and this. I don't think this wall was even here. This is all walled in. You can actually flip switches now and stuff happens. So that turns on the lights up and, let me show that. The attic part is floored, and we have loads of room up here. There's the AC unit over there, heating unit. It's quite small, so it doesn't take up much room, but all this duct work does. But still, you can kind of duck under it and, we'll be storing lots of junk up here. I still haven't done my pipes. These pipes, half of them the ones that are attached to the toilet are going to have to go through the roof, of course, to vent the gases. Let me get down. I'll show you the inside. Let's see here. Okay, this is the laundry room. We've started to, all sheetrock's up. We've started mudding. Matter of fact, I'm completely covered in mud right now. I'm hoping I'm not getting this stuff on my phone. This is just like a nook. This will probably be the pantry. This little room, and this, of course, like I said, this is the laundry room. Got hookups for washer and dryer and a sink and stuff. This is the hallway. Isn't it awesome? I have to actually have a thermostat. Keep some warmness in here. This is the half bath, guest bath. We've started mudding on that. This is where I'm working right now. That's the reason there's like junk everywhere, but there's mud stuff everywhere. This is the room I'm working on. Check this out. We actually have like lights that come on and off. It's fantastic. Um, this was the room I practiced in. This room is almost done. This is their closet. I've got the second coat mostly on in here. I'm waiting for them to do the third coat soon. I'm gonna tell you, I could not mud for a living. Especially these ceilings. I mean, it is just a pain. It's tedious and it's slow and it's messy and I don't know. This is let me turn the light on. This is the master bath. I've got the plumbing done for the shower. We need to set that in after I do the mudding and stuff. The valve and all that's in. This tub is still, I've got to figure out the wiring and the plumbing and the stuff on the tub. And I still haven't done the plumbing for it. It's still just a hole in the ground over there. And this one's done. I've concreted it in, waiting for that concrete to cure. Let's see. Go out of here. Master bedroom. Go back down through the hall. This is the living room. And the kitchen. I guess that beam right there kind of divides the kitchen and the living room area. Let me back up a little bit, you can see. And then that wall right there will stop this. So that whole area will be the kitchen. Now I put some can lights. I got 12 can lights total in the whole place. There's 4 in the living room, 4 in the kitchen, and 4 in the bedroom. And there's the kitchen window. There's gonna be a corner sink over here. Let's see. Dishwasher, corner sink, stove, or I guess they call it a range. I've got the big giant plug down that we'll put down there for that. The microwave will go above it. And then over here on this corner, the refrigerator will sit in the corner. Then in all this will all be cabinets, which is something I'm trying to figure out right now, is ordering cabinets, because you can't just, let's order a cabinet. I mean, it's all custom. It has to fit this kitchen. I can't buy used cabinets. I guess I could, but that'd be a mess. Is that it? I think that may be it. Once we get the sheetrock done, or the mudding done, we're gonna start painting and putting doors in, and then vanities for the bathrooms, and cabinets for the kitchen, and then we gotta do flooring. But I don't know. We're not at the end, but I can see the end from here. We're like on the 10-yard line. I mean, we're really close. But this mudding is gonna slow us down, because it's just so tedious. I mean, we could hire somebody to come here and probably do this in a couple of days, but good grief, we've had a few estimates and it's just crazy expensive. I'd rather just take the time and just do it ourselves, like we've been doing everything else in this project. I guess that's about it. These are this makes up the metal. These metal things make up corners on the walls. This is my first attempt to do a corner, which I think looks pretty good. That's the first coat, so it'll look better than that once I get a couple more coats on it. But I'm kind of learning as I go. I've watched about 3 hours of YouTube videos on mudding, and that was really exciting. But anywho, just wanted to give everybody like a progress update.